Hey, it's Becky from Patchwork Posse and Patchworkers Plus, my online quilt group membership, where you can come sew along with me and other members, our year-long block of the month, our fall mystery quilt. We have guest designers, swaps, and sew days throughout the month. Check the link in the description for your personal invitation to join me. Today, we are going to be opening up a surprise box from Jenny Doan, Missouiri Star Christmas Quilt Box. So I've got another video that you can check out what's inside as far as when you open the box. Today we are going to be unwrapping one of the days and see what's inside. I love surprises, so this is going to be a lot of fun. All right, today we are looking for day 17, I believe. So 20, 19, 20. Oh, it's a box one again. Box ones are fun. Oh, this opens up from the top. All right, I don't know what it is. Okay, wait. Okay, I need batteries. Shoot. It doesn't come with batteries. I need 2 AAAs. Okay, just a minute.
Remember, finished is better than perfect.
Oh my heck, are you serious? Is this like the easy button? Jenny makes quilting so easy.
All quilters are peacemakers.
Oh my gosh, are you kidding?
Always press to the dark side. Never underestimate the power of a woman with a sewing machine.
Oh my heck, that's adorable. Don't you just love Jenny? She reminds you of all the good stuff, right? All the good stuff. Okay, and also in the little box are stickers. So who doesn't love a good sticker? And then finished is better than perfect. Always press to the dark side. Oh, those are the sayings that she has on the easy button. It's going to be called the easy button.
Just take it one stitch at a time.
I love it. All right, you do need some AA batteries, or no, AAA, 2 AAA batteries for this.
Remember, finished is better than perfect.
But that's fabulous. That's hilarious.